Welcome back everyone, Triple M here with another quick video. And if you're someone who uses the YouTube Vanced application, whether it's just a better viewing experience or to bypass those pop-ups essentially blocking the ads, YouTube Vanced is essentially shut down. In this video we are going to jump into the details why they shutting down. Also, if you don't know what YouTube Vanced is, I'll go ahead and briefly cover that. Before we do, head over to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So quickly, what is YouTube Vanced? So YouTube Vanced is basically a third-party application to the original YouTube app. It allows users to block ads on the video streaming platforms free of cost. So in addition, the app offers premium features like background play, picture-in-picture dark theme, and the ability to restore the dislike count. So it's basically just going against what YouTube is set out to do. This application allows you to do a lot more things. And not only is it taking money out of Google's pocket, it is taking money from the creators. And I'll go ahead and I'll drop a poll in the community section. Please head over there, vote. Let me know what you think of this app being removed. And I'll go ahead and link the community section in this video. So here we are in the article. This is from The Verge. I'll go ahead and link the article. It says Google forces YouTube Vanced to shut down due to legal reasons. Not even reading any article, just a brief overview. You can probably guess why YouTube would want them to shut down. So popular Vanced YouTube app is being discontinued after a legal threat from Google. The creators of Vanced have revealed the project will shut down in the next coming days with download links to be removed. So over to the Vanced page already, and you can see that it says right here, Vanced is no longer available for download. It's asking you to use Brave. It did tell you that it's a referral. Use AdGuard, so it did give you some alternatives. But let me know in the comments if watching the ads is that bad of an experience where you'll download either an add-on or a different browser just to bypass the ads. So it goes on to say that while this app will continue to work for anyone who currently has it installed on Android, without any feature updates, it's likely to stop working at some point. The Vanced owners say they have had to discontinue the project due to legal reasons. So Google sent Vanced owners a cease and desist letter recently, which has forced the developers to stop distributing and developing the app. We were asked to remove all references to YouTube, change the logo, and remove all links related to YouTube products, says an admin from the Vanced team in a Discord message to The Verge. So here's their message right here, guys. It says Vanced is discontinued. In the next couple of days, the download links in the website will be taken down. We know this is not something you wanted to hear, but something we need to do. Thank you all for your support over the years. Further down, it gives you some more details. So that's a basic summary. So for this, I am going to drop a couple polls in the community section. First one's going to be, is watching ads on YouTube such a big deal to where you feel you need to install an ad blocker, or if you need to install or use a different browser just to avoid those pop-ups? And the next question is going to be, where do you see this going? If YouTube is forcing Vanced to shut down, do you see them coming after other developers, maybe of the pop-up blockers or something like that? Where do you see this going? For me, speaking as a creator and as someone that actually watches YouTube, I definitely mostly watch from the website. Secondary, I watch from the mobile device, and I normally just use either Google Chrome or I use the YouTube app if I'm on my mobile devices. For me, I can see both sides. I see why the ads are there. For us, it makes us a little bit of money. For YouTube, it probably makes a lot more money. For average users, it's probably just annoying. But for me, I typically just leave everything as is, skip through the ad after the 3 seconds. Gonna keep this one short. Head over to the community section, vote. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.